Hi students, good morning. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. In the last class, we are learning about matrix and determinants. So, up to example 1.17 we have completed and I have gave some home assignments for you. I hope you all completed. Let's start from example 1.18. If A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, B is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2, then show that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Already I taught this one in one note. So B the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. So let us take this as LHS and this as RHS. LHS is equal to RHS you need to prove. Okay. So solution. First we are going to find A inverse. Understand? So for that I am taking the RHS first. So what is RHS here? B inverse A inverse. Okay. So first I need to find A inverse. If I need A inverse, what's the formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. So determinant of A you need to find. What is A value? 1, 2, 1, 1. Just you cross multiply. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 2. That is equal to minus 1. Whether it is equal to 0, it's not equal to 0. So, determinant of A value not equal to 0 means we will say A inverse exists. Yes, you know. Then what will you do? We will find B. For B inverse, you need to find the B. For B inverse, you need to find determinant of B value. Okay. So, afterwards you find determinant of B. What is B value? 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay. Just you cross multiply. 0 into 2 is 0. Minus of minus 1. So, minus into minus plus 1. Equal to 1. This also not equal to 0. So, you know B inverse also exists. Okay. Then, afterwards you need to find RHS, is it right? For that LHS, you are taking AB the whole inverse you need to find, is it right? So, AB the whole inverse you need to find means first you need to find AB. How will you find AB? A into B? A value 1, 2, 1, 1. B value 0, minus 1, 1, 2. So, already you know how to find A into B using 7 method, okay? So, if you multiply, again I am writing 1, 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 2. That is equal to multiply first row, first column. So 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2. Then here first row, second column means how much you will get? Minus 1 plus 2. Second row, first column, that is 0 plus 1. The next one is minus 1 plus 2. So what's the value? 0 plus 2 is 2. This one is yes. That is first row, second column. Is it right? So minus 1 plus 4. That is 3. Then this one is 1. This is 1. Okay. So this is a value for AB. Now find out determinant of AB. So determinant of AB means 2, 3, 1, 1. Okay. So just you cross multiply. How much you'll get? 2 minus 3. That is equal to minus 1. This also not equal to 0. Therefore, AB the whole inverse also it will exist. Okay. Afterwards, we are going to find adjoint of AB. Okay. Adjoint of AB. For what purpose we are finding adjoint of AB? AB the whole inverse. If you are writing the formula for AB the whole inverse, what will happen? 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB you need. So, determinant of AB value we have found out. We need the value for adjoint of AB. So, adjoint of AB means what's the AB value? First I am writing the AB value. Okay. So, what's the value for AB? Here it is. Okay. AB value is 2, 3, 1, 1. So, already I taught you how we will find the adjoint of AB in 2 by 2 matrix. Just you will change these two numbers. For these two numbers same as it is, you will change the sign alone. Understand? So, now find AB the whole inverse. What's the formula? 1 by determinant of AB. What's the determinant of AB value? Minus 1 into 1 minus 3 minus 1 2. Okay. So multiply with this minus. So what will happen? AB the whole inverse is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. So that is minus 1. So each and every term you want to divide by minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1 means minus 1. Minus 3 divided by minus 1 means 3. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 means 1. 2 divided by minus 1 means minus 2. So this is a value for RHS. Okay. This is RHS value. You take it as equation number 1. Okay. Afterwards, find out adjoint of A. What is the adjoint of A? This is a value. Is it right? This is a value. Side you write it. A value is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1. What's the B value? 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay. What's the A value? Now write down the A value here. That is adjoint of A means just you will change these two numbers. For these two numbers as it is, just you will change the symbol. So this is adjoint of A. Okay. So A inverse, what's the formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. What's the value for determinant of A? Determinant of A, the value is minus 1. Into adjoint of A means 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1. So each and every term you need to multiply. Okay, that is A inverse is equal to, divide each term by minus 1. So what will happen? Minus 1. This one is 2. Then next number is 1. Next number is minus 1. Understand? Next one more you need to find. What's the one more you need to find? That is B inverse. Okay. So B inverse means what's the formula? Before that you need to find adj B. Okay. Adj B is equal to, just what will you do? We will change this two numbers. So 2 will come here, 0 will come here. So 2, 0. For these two numbers, just to change the sign. So here it is minus. So this will become plus. This will become minus. So here it is plus 1. Here it is minus 1. Okay. So what's the formula for B inverse? B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. That is equal to determinant of B. What's the determinant of B value? 1. Okay. Into 2, 1, minus 1, 0. So each and every term 2, 1, minus 1, 0. This is a value for B inverse. Okay, ma? Then you need to find B inverse into A inverse. So what's the value for B inverse? 2, 1, minus 1, 0. What's the value for A inverse? What's the value for A inverse? Minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. What's the value? 2, 1, minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. Just you multiply ma. First row, first column. So what will happen? 2 into minus 1. First row, first column. That is minus 2 plus 1. Then first row, second column means 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1. Then this one is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Then next one is minus 2 minus 0. So what's the value you will get? Minus 1, 3. That is, next one is, here it's a correction. That is 1 into 1 is 1. Is it right? So 0 into 1 is 0. That is 1. The next one is minus 2. So this is a value for B inverse. A inverse same as this is LHS. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Shall we check equation number? That is matrix 1 and 2. Matrix 1 is minus 1, minus 3, 1, minus 2. This is matrix 2. Whether 1 and 2 are equal? Yes. So AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Understand? Very, very simple question, but very, very important. Understand? So you take it as LHS and RHS. Find out AB separately. Then AB the whole inverse. Take it as equation number 1. Then B inverse separately you find out. A inverse separately you find out. Afterwards multiply the two answers. Take it as equation number 2. Afterwards LHS is equal to RHS. Equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Therefore AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Understand students? Have you got it? I hope you understand. Okay. Let's move to the next. Listen here. Show that the matrix A1 matrix and B1 matrix are inverses of each other. Okay. So what you need to find in the sense, inverses of each other means the meaning is AB is equal to BA value is equal to identity matrix. Understand what's the meaning of inverses of each other? I explained you in one note, that is AB is equal to BA is equal to I, you need to prove. For this one, first what you need to do, you need to find AB, afterwards you need to find BA, both the values also equal to the identity matrix. So our answer is correct. Okay, so first you will find AB. A into B. What is A value? 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Into B value. What's the B value? Minus 4 by 35. Then 11 by 35. Minus 5 by 35. The next one is minus 1 by 35. Minus 6 by 35. 25 by 35. Then next one is 6 by 35. 1 by 35 minus 10 by 35. Okay, that is equal to, that is 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, then here one thing, you for easiest calculation, one simple thing is that you can take 1 by 35 outside. Okay students, you can take 1 by 35 outside, then only it will be easiest to calculate. So minus 4, 11, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, 25, 6, 1, minus 10. Okay, then that is equal to, you can bring this 1 by 35 here. Why? Everything is in product. Okay, so 1 by 35. So what's the balance? This 2 is the balance. So you can multiply by using 7 method. So first row, first column, is it right? 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. Be very careful. Then minus 3. Then 7 into 6, that is plus 42. Understand? Then next one is first row, second column, that is 1 into 11 is 11, minus 18, then plus 7. Do it very carefully, last year you have learned. Then first row, third column, that is minus 5, plus 75, minus 70. Okay, then second row, first column, that is minus 4 into 4, is it right? Minus 16, minus 2, plus 18. Okay, then second row, first, second column, that is 44, minus 12, plus 3. Then next one is, second row, second column, that is 44, minus 12, plus 3 into 1. Okay, then this one and this one, that is minus 20, then minus 20, then plus 50, then minus 30, the last, minus 4, minus 2, plus 6, then 11, minus 12, plus 1, then minus 5, plus 50, minus 10. Okay, okay students, that is equal to 1 by 35. To do it very carefully, minus 4, minus 3, that is minus 7, plus 42 means 35. So 11 plus 7 means 18, minus 18, it is 0. 75 minus 75, it is 0. 18 minus 18, it is 0. 44 plus 3 means 47, minus 12 means 35. Then minus 50 plus 50 means 0. Then minus 6 plus 6 means 0. Yes. Then this one, 12 minus 12 means 0. This one is 35. So what is common again using the property of the determinant? 1 by 35 is there. So 35 you can take. It's right? Yes. So 35 divided by 35. Already I taught you in property. So same thing we are using. So 0, 0, 0. So what will happen? Sorry. 35 took outside. So 1 is a balance. Yes. 0. 35 took outside. So 1 is a balance. 0. 0, 0, 1. Correct? Now this and this will get cancelled. So what is the balance? What's the balance? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Correct? Whether it is equal to I? Yes. Take it as equation number 1. Understand? So one part over. Now I have found out AB. Next what will you do? You will find BA. Okay, understand? BA also I answer you need to get. Then only our question answer is correct. Okay. Listen students. Next you need to find the value BA. Okay. So B into A. So here I wrote B value, this one is A value. So what's the common here? So 1 by 35, you can take it as outside. Okay, so what's the balance? Minus 4, 11, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, 25. Then 6, 1, minus 10. Okay, into next 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Using 7 method, multiply 1 by 35 into first row, first column. So minus 4 into 1. Okay, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Plus 44 minus 5. Then minus 12 plus 22 minus 10. Do it very carefully. Then minus 28 plus 33 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 24 plus 25. Then minus 3 minus 12 plus 50. Then minus 7 plus minus 18 plus 25. Then 6 plus 4 minus 10. Then 6 into 3, is it right? 18 plus 2 minus 20. Then 6 into 7 is 42 plus 3 minus 10. Listen here students. So 7 method last year you have learned multiplying. Okay, because of that I am moving further. That is equal to 1 by 35 into 4 minus 5. Is it right? So we will get 35. This is 0. Then last one is also 0. Next one is 0. This one is 35. This is 0. Yes. Then here again 0. This one is 0. This one is 35. Correct. So 42 plus 3 means 45 minus 10, 35. So here also what is common? 35 divided by 35. 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. So this and this will get cancelled. So what is the value for BMR? This also 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Whether it's equal to I, this is equation number 2. Therefore, 1 is equal to 2, which implies AB is equal to BA is equal to I. So, what's the answer? What they asked you to prove? Both are inverses of each other. Therefore, A and B are inverses of each other. Understand? Both are inverses of each other. Understand? So if you get the question, show that A and B are inverses of each other. Like that, the inverses of each other means what's the rule? AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Understand? So AB value you need to find, BA value you need to find. Both also identity matrix if you get means both are all inverses of each other. Understand? I hope you got it. So second section, examples fully completed. Let's move some problems in. Do some problems in exercise 1.2. Okay, I gave some homeworks in exercise 1.2 students. All of you take your books, turn to page number 19. First problem you did as homework, second problem, third problem and fourth problem. Yesterday I explained you and I gave the homework for you. Okay, so we need to do from question number 5. Yes, so today's home assignment, first you take it. Okay, so first one is fifth problem homework for you. That is, how will you do? You will find adjoint of A, then into A. Multiply with this. Adjoint of A you find out. Afterwards take this matrix. Multiply adjoint of A into A. If you get the answer as 0, our answer is correct. Okay, understand? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Like that one matrix you will get. So our answer is correct. Understand? So question number 6 now we will do. So next question is exercise 1.2 problem number 6. Question is, if A is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4, 5, then show that the inverse of A is A itself. What's the question? If A is equal to, one thing is given, then show that the inverse of A is A itself. Understand? So, in this question, what you need to prove? Inverse of A is A itself. That means what's the meaning? If you are finding A inverse, that A inverse and this answer both are all same. So, and you know it, right? You can do. Anyhow, I am doing. Okay for you. So, solution. First take down the A matrix. Minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4, 5. Okay. First find determinant of A. So first find determinant of A. How will I find the determinant of A? Minus 1 into this and this will cancel. So minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5. The next number minus, is it right? So minus 2 into this and this it will go. So what's the balance? 4, 4, 4, 5. Then next one is minus 2. This and this it will go. 4, minus 3, 4, minus 4. Okay. That is equal to minus 1 into, what's the value? Minus 15, minus of minus, is it right? Plus 16. Then minus 2 into 20 minus 16. Then minus 2 into 4 into minus 4 means minus 16 minus into minus plus 12. That's equal to minus 1 into plus 1 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into minus 4. So what's the value you will get? Minus 1 minus 8 plus 8. That's equal to minus 1. Whether it is equal to 0, it is not equal to 0. So determinant of A not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. Understand? A inverse exists. Then what you need to find? What you need to find? You will find adjoint of A. Okay? Adjoint of A. For that, adjoint of A is equal to, separately you need to find cofactor everything. I am giving one small easiest way. Okay. So first in the sense plus. Okay. Plus means, listen here ma, this and this you will cancel, is it right? So minus 3 4 minus 4 5, you know, is it right? So plus means here you can write minus 3 4 minus 4 5. Understand? Then next for minus you need to take yes. Minus only, no? Yes. Minus taking time, what will happen? This and this you will cancel. 4 4 4 5. Okay. So what's the balance you will get? 4 4 4 5. Understand? The next number for what you need to put? Plus. So 4 minus 3. I am writing simply, you go through. Okay. Minus 4. Then next number for how till you write? Minus. Yes. So alternate symbol. That's how within one bracket you can complete everything. Okay. Minus, then 2 minus 2 minus 4 5. I hope you are well thorough in this section. Because of that I am doing very short. Okay. Then plus minus 1 minus 2 4 5. Then minus of minus 1 2 4 minus 4. Then last one what's the symbol? Plus. Okay. That is 2 minus 2 minus 3 4. The next one what's the symbol? Minus. Okay. Minus means what's the symbol? Numbers minus 1 minus 2 4 4. Okay. The next one what's the symbol? Minus 1 2 4 minus 3. Okay. That's equal to, cross multiply ma carefully, minus 15 minus of minus, that is plus 16. Okay. Then next one, minus symbol is outside, so 20 minus 16. Then next one, plus symbol is outside, so minus 16 plus 12. Then next one is minus symbol is outside, so 10 plus 8. Sorry, minus of minus plus, then minus. Then next one is plus symbol, minus 5 plus 8. Then next one is minus symbol, 4 minus 8. Then next one is plus symbol is outside, 8 minus 6. Then next one is minus symbol is outside, minus 4. Minus of minus means plus 8. Then next one is 3 minus 8. Okay. Then that's equal to, next one, what will happen? 1, then minus 4, then minus 4. Is it right? Minus 4. Correct? Then next one is yes, we are finding adjoint of A. Is it right? So before that you write one line. Adjoint of A is equal to Aij the whole transpose. So transpose symbol must. Okay. It's transpose. So next one. Minus of 2. Then here 3 you will get as. Then here minus of minus is, so plus 4. The next one is 2. The next one is minus 4 plus 8 means 4 minus 4. And last one is minus 5. This also transpose. Just you will, for adjoint if A, what will you do? What will you do? Row as column, column as row. Is it right? So 1, minus 2, 2, then minus 4, 3, minus 4, then minus 4, 4, 5. Understand? This is adjoint A. Now check the question whether both are equal. 1 minus 2, 2. 4, 3 minus 4, minus 4, 4, 5. Whether both are equal? Yes. Take it as equation number 1. Take it as equation number 2. Okay. So, sorry. Before that, you need to find the A inverse. Is it right? Not adj. A inverse. So, what's the formula for A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So, 1 by, what's the determinant of A value? Minus 1. Is it right? So, minus 1. What's this value? 1 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 2, 2. Minus 4, 3 minus 4. Minus 4, 4 minus 5. Just you divide by minus. So, what will happen? Minus 1, 2, minus 2. Then 4 minus 3 plus 4. Then 4 minus 4, 5. Correct? Yes? So, whether this is equal to A or not, shall we check? So, what's the A matrix? A matrix is given here. Minus 1, 2, minus 2. Minus 1, 2, minus 2. Then 4 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 4. Then 4 minus 4, 5. Whether both are equal? This is equation number 2. Which implies 1 is equal to 2. Which implies what will you conclude? A is equal to A inverse. So, what's the conclusion, ma? This A itself. So, what will you prove? Inverse of A is A itself. Have you got it? Inverse of A is A itself. Very easiest question. So, already you have learned this and all. So, again we repeated this one only. Okay. So, already I gave one homework for you. Please students, take down one more homework. Understand? Take down one more homework. I will explain you want to do. Okay. So, fifth problem is your homework. Fifth problem is your homework. Okay. Take down the homeworks. Exercise 1.2, problem number 5 and 7 homework. Okay. So, 7th problem I will tell you how you need to do. So, A inverse value is given. Then find A they are asking. Is it right? So, in one note I taught you. In one note the rule is there. A inverse, the whole inverse is equal to A. Understand? So, here the value is given as A inverse. If you are finding again A inverse, the whole inverse. For this one is A inverse. If you are finding again the whole inverse, you will get the value as A. Understand? Both are must be equal. So, finally, A inverse, the whole inverse is equal to A. That one you need to prove. Understand? Understand, students? They are asking find A. Is it right? So, A inverse, the A whole inverse is equal to A. This is a note you know already. So, using this one, if you are finding A inverse is given in your question. Is it right? If you are finding A inverse, the whole inverse, one matrix you will get. That's the answer for A. Understand? All of you understand? So, if you are finding A inverse is given in your question. If you are finding again A inverse, the whole inverse. That is just given one matrix is A inverse. Is it right? For that matrix, you find determinant of A inverse. Then find out adjoint of A inverse. Then find A inverse, the whole inverse. When you are writing the formula for A inverse, the whole inverse, how will you write? 1 by determinant of A inverse into adjoint of A inverse. Understand? If you substitute here, you will get the A inverse, the whole inverse, that is equal to A using this note. Understand? So, I hope you can complete these two problems, problem number 5 and 7. In this exercise, 4 more problems are left. So, in the next class, we will complete that one and we will move to the next session. Learn children from first onwards, don't leave anything. Learn it thoroughly. These are not new. Already you have learned that one only. So it's a very interesting chapter, first chapter. So you go through whenever you are getting time, take your notes and work out. Complete all the classworks neatly day by day. Complete all the home assignments also. Be safe, students. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.